For my first delivery, I need to make one line, one segment, one ray, two cross lines, one obtuse angle, one acute angle, one right angle, bisector of a segment, angle bisector, distance between 2 points, midpoint in a segment, one pair, two perpendicular lines, and two parallel lines. As you can see here in my painting, I have my first draft. In the first draft, we can see the obtuse angle, the right angle, the acute angle. Also, we can see the lines, the rays, the segments. We can see also the two crossing lines, the two parallel lines, the two perpendicular lines, and also the angle bisector and the segment bisector and others. Thanks. For my second delivery, I need to make one translation, one rotation, one reflection, one dilation. Also, one transverse line in parallel lines, the composition of transformation, a guide text, and two congruent figures. Here in my painter, as you can see, I have my draft 2. We can identify the congruent figures. We can also identify the one transverse line in parallel lines, and also at the right part on the top, we can see my translation, the rotation, reflection, and finally the dilation I used in my second draft. For my third delivery, I need to make congruent triangles ASA, SAS, SSS. Also, I need to make the isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle, and scalene triangle, perpendicular bisector of triangles, and finally bisector angles of triangles. Here in my painting, you can notice my third draft. You can see that I put the congruent triangles ASA, SAS, SSS. Also, we can also notice the isosceles, equilateral, scalene triangles. Perpendicular bisector of triangles can also be seen on this painter. Bisector angles of triangles are also in this painting. My 3D figure can also be noticed in this painter, as you can see. For my final delivery, I need to make a barycenter, a point in the center of a triangle, an orthocenter, and a circumcenter. As you can see in my painting here, I have the fourth delivery. You can notice that I make the barycenter, the orthocenter, and the circumcenter. There are the triangles that have the circle inside and outside. And in the center was the triangles that, as you can see in my painting, have the point in the center of a triangle.